Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Today we are gonna make one famous Bengali fish curry, বাংলায় যাকে আমরা বলি দই কাতলা বা দই পোনা. So let's see how to prepare it in our style. Here I have taken 500 grams of Rupchand fish. You can also take katla or rohu as per the availability. Now we have to marinate this, and for that I have taken little bit of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon salt, pinch of turmeric powder and some red chili powder. Now gently rub the both sides of fish pieces with the spices and mustard oil and keep it for 15 minutes. Now we are gonna fry these marinated fish pieces, and for that I have taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a non-stick pan kept on high flame, and when the oil is heated enough, then add one by one these marinated fish pieces into it. And fry both the sides for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't need to deep fry this, just shallow fry for 2 to 3 minutes and take it out from the non-stick pan. Now time to prepare the main ingredient of this dish, and for that I have taken 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 2 teaspoons of mixed melon seeds or char magaj in Bengali. Add 4 to 5 chopped cashews. Then blend it with the help of little bit water and make a paste like this. Now take one medium sized of onion, roughly chop it. Then 3 green chilies, roughly chop it as well. Add into the blender and make a good paste without any water. Now it's a final stage and time to prepare the gravy, and for that I have taken 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a non-stick pan. I will heat it up well. Then add 1 cinnamon, 3 to 4 small cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves and some cumin seeds. Now saute this little bit on low medium flame. Then add this onion and green chili paste and again saute for few minutes. It's around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix this well. Time to add the main ingredient, that is the cashew and mixed melon paste. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Then mix this well and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add some water and again mix this well. Now I will take 4 tablespoons of curd that I have already beaten well for the smooth and creamy texture. Now mix this well with this gravy and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 sliced green chili. Now add those shallow fried fish pieces into the gravy one by one and cook the both sides of it for 5 minutes on low medium flame. Our fish curry dahi katla is ready now, and for final touch up, add little bit of garam masala on it and take this out from the pan. Now add some chopped coriander leaves on top and serve it hot. If you like our recipe, please click the like button and share it with others, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also get notifications about our new upcoming recipes, and for that click the bell icon. Thank you and enjoy this Bengali style fish curry dahi katla.